Everyone. Today's topic is role of cooperation in economic development. Now, I will give introduction for today's chapter. Role of cooperation in economic development. Role of cooperation in economic development. But economic development means, what is economic development? Economic development means it is the process whereby real per capita income of a country increases, overall income, economic activity of the national, so that total income increases and per capita income goes up steadily. Cooperative plays an important role in facilitating access to create procurement and storage, distribution of input and marketing of products. They create employment opportunity, particularly in rural areas, and allow disadvantaged group to be organized for social and economic benefit. They contribute to sustainable human development and have an important role to play in combating social exclusion. Now we will look at the how cooperative play a role in poverty reduction. Cooperatives as a self-help organization contribute to the eradications of poverty and through the economic and social process of their members and employees, and by stimulating the economies and enhancing the social fabric of communities and which they operate. Next is role of cooperative in rural development. In the rural area, cooperative organization help in providing loans to the farmer for the purchasing of manure seeds on the one hand, and purchase their produces at the reasonable rates on the other. The result is that many of the problems of rural poor people are solved. And also cooperative helps in social integration. Cooperative promotes social integration and cohesion in the face of inequality in social capability by empowering people by giving voice to the poor as well as marginalized groups and promote the organization of federations and alliances. Now let us see how to cooperation plays role in developing country to bring about the changes in various sectors of growing economy. Cooperation is of the great significance, particularly for economically backward countries and for people with small in backward countries. This is the only self-respecting method to increasing their resources and to carve out a special place for themselves in this competitive world by pooling their maximum resources. Cooperative members can undertake big production activity and realize fruitful advantage. When these resources are used together, and they result in greater gain than individual efforts. Now we will see how to now we will see how to cooperative helpful in achieving agricultural development. In achieving agriculture development. Agricultural development has important role in the economic development of developing country. Nearly 70% of population depend upon agriculture in developing country. In such case, the cooperative farming, credit and marketing are giving free growth of small and marginal farmers. The farmers will be learn more, save more, invest more and will reduce the dignized unemployment, and the cooperative society give to the gives guidance to the farmers regarding the prices of agriculture goods, better seeds, fertilizers, pesticide and agriculture equipment, etc. In recent situation, cooperative also doing agriculture research. Agriculture research, I will briefly explain how and why they are doing research. How and why they are doing research. Research and development activity have defining place in the agriculture is the foundation for other sectoral growth, and cooperation will not only concentrate on increasing in agriculture production, but also they will not only concentrate but they will focus their attention on the productivity. Cooperative acts as the pipeline technology, Tibak Sinchan, Tushar Sinchan, etc. to bring the benefit of research and development to the farmers for improving agriculture productivity and their production. Until now, we have covered first agriculture development and agriculture growth. Now we will see the third point, role of cooperative in industrial development. Role of cooperative in industrial advancement, in industrial development. In developing country, industries are dependent directly and indirectly on agriculture. Therefore, growth of agriculture means growth of industry and industrial output in terms of quality and quantity. There are number of processing units which are based on cooperative principles. As a result of this, cooperation plays very important role in the agriculture development. In the agriculture development. Next point is growth of small scale and household industries. Today we have heard about the small scale industry a lot of time, because when we look around, there are numerous small scale industry and household industry. Household industry. Generally, small scale and household industry requires less capital and provides more job. Japan has achieved its growth through small scale industry. In our country, villages are more. Here, cooperation can Naturally, small scale and household industries such as handicraft, silk weaving and handmade bags, handmade papers bags, horticultural, poultry, soft making, etc. And these small scale and household industries help in the upliftment economic and social of the one, and all NABARD, SBI, NCDC have extended wholehearted support to these institutions. Now we have covered the role of cooperatives in agriculture and industrial point of view. Now we will look at the economic and social point of view. Next point is role of improvement of standard of living. The standard of living of rural masses will improve because the gainful and self-employment in the agriculture and industry. It is the outcome of cooperative views and management in the agriculture and industry. The increase in standard of living helps to achieve economic development of a country. Just now we have looked at improvement of standard of living, but this will be only achieved if there is economic development of person. So next point is how to cooperative play roles in increase in saving of individuals. Means increasing savings. The increased saving, cooperative are not only teach live together and work together, but also teach how to save, how to earn profit, how to saving. The cycle of saving leads to investment, and from investment etc. But income and finally income to save. Thus, the saving is a seed of growth. In developing country, society are helping to increase their saving. Developing country helping to increase their saving. After increased saving in improvement of standard of living, there is a slowly change in attitude of the people. Next point is change in attitude of the people. We will look at how they change attitude of the people. Another important contribution made by the cooperative society in that the attitude of people has changed. In the rural area, people are having narrow lookout and selfish. But due to the cooperative societies, they can learn to help each other, and their changing minds. And in old days, people thinking was consumption oriented, but due to the cooperative, they are either profit or investment oriented. Now we have seen about how they plays role in economic cooperative is agricultural, industrial and economic aspects. Now we will look at the socio-economic aspects. Next point, next is employment opportunity. We will look at the social and economic aspects of employment opportunity. In developing country like India, there are number of employment schemes both of educated and uneducated. These schemes increase functioning of cooperative principles. Today we have countless cooperative units in agro-based industrial units, government, transportation, marketing, household labor, and multi-purpose cooperatives which are providing permanent or temporary gainful employment to the peoples. Therefore, is the truth that cooperative societies are solving the unemployment problems. That is, result is cooperative societies are solving the unemployment problem. In the present situation, COVID-19, we fear about economic recession, about the unemployment. It is a rate of highest. We should know that the cooperative helps in increasing our employment opportunity. So that also cooperative helps in enhancing infrastructural policy. Infrastructural policies enhanced. Basic infrastructural policy are required to achieve the growth of rural and urban areas. The infrastructure are nothing but the transportation, communication, banking, health, security, etc. All these infrastructural facility are being provided cooperation in the field of agriculture and industry and at last we have seen know that gender equality is basis for any good society. Cooperative helps to increasing gender equality feeling among the people. Last is welfare for women. Well, it is most unfortunate that is in male dominated society woman is totally neglected. Through in urban areas an attitude of male towards a female has changed. However, cooperation can bring a upward swing in the welfare of women. For today we have completed role of cooperative society in developing country. We also look at the how they help in achieving overall development of the society and economy of the country, and also how they increasing living of standard of the society and behavioral changes in society attitude. We should understand by the cooperation we can achieve sustainable development for our country. Till now, if you have any doubt, please write in comment section. Like, share my please like, share my lecture and subscribe to my channel for regularly update. Thank you. You will meet again in next lecture. Thank you once again.